Hey everyone, Donovan here again. In this video, we're going to learn how to collect a coin, so detect collisions. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a coin object. So I'm going to hit add a new object, create a new sprite. I'm going to call this coin. Now you guys can go online and find some cool animations and stuff of coins or cool pictures. I'm just going to create like a simple coin for now, just as a rectangle. Right, I'm going to say that's my coin. So I'm going to put my coin over there. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my event sheet, and you can see it has a sign there, no events, etc. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a new event. Right, so up here in this bar at the top right, I have an option there that says add a new empty event. I'm going to click on that, and this thing pops up, and it has two different components, one called the condition and one called the action. The condition is what you're looking for, right? So examples of conditions could be if my player touches this object. So if my player touches the gun, he picks up the gun. Or if my bullet touches the enemy, the enemy dies. Things like that. It can also be things like checking scores. So if my score is 500, go to level 2. Or if my strength is 55, make my damage this amount, right? So that's the condition. The action is what you want to happen when the condition is true. So if my player presses the S button on my keyboard, right? That's the condition. Then the action will be create a new bullet and then move the bullet forward, right? So it pretty much shoots. So two different components, and you'll get used to conditions and actions as we go. But I want to teach the coding, the basic coding based on picking up a coin, right? So I'm going to hit add a condition, and this thing pops up. And there's a few different ways of finding events, finding conditions. So you can look at all these common, so if I wanted audio, for example, right, I see audio's there, so I can click on that and have a look at what type of conditions are available for audio, same with keyboard, etc. But I know I'm looking for a collision here, so at the search bar, I'm just going to type in collision. And that's the one you want. So all these things with physics, just ignore them for now. You want the common conditions as we're starting out. Right, so I'm going to hit collision, and it's going to ask me to choose an object. So what am I colliding with? A coin and a main character. So when our main character and coin collides together, I'm going to hit OK. That's the condition. The action I want is to delete an object. And then it's going to ask me, what object do you want to delete? I want to delete the coin. So I'm going to hit OK. Right? So when my main character and coin collide together, delete the coin. And then later on, when we add a scoring system, we can add another action here so that it increases our score. So I'm going to come in here and hit play. And then now as I come in, I jump and I can collect the coin. That's it for this video.